Presenting the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include a power sunroof, front and rear towing, alloy rims, a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, keyless entry, power liftgate, independent suspension, brake assist. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, and auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, push button start. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Best price, best selection, best service.
At Friendship, we're dealing.